Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Ernest Review. I'm Ernest Felix here, and today I want to review a product called Click. Now I just want to know, are you one of the persons who's sick and tired of buying hundreds of dollars worth products, trying it, and then it just fails? Then this is the product for you. We have cracked a new cloud technology that makes SEOs and traffics dead easy and guarantees results, and you can launch your own SEOs business today. Now, making a video or making a content is one part, and getting a traffic for the people to view your content is another part, which is the more difficult part. You will get frustrated if you see that there is absolutely no traffic, if there is no clicks, if there is no clicks on your videos or on your contents. You'll get frustrated. You're taking all the troubles to make a content, and if there are no viewers, it is very sickening. Now, finally, you can grab all the huge and growing SEO markets and get the free traffic you always dreamed of, all without having to buy 10 different courses and tools trying to make them work. But then, even if you have the 10 tools, getting them to get it synchronized is another job. Sometimes one tool fails, your whole work fails. All your hard work goes in vain. So, won't you be interested in a product where everything is there in one? Step 1, just log in into the cloud software. Step 2, configure any of the 44 SEOs that are available for you or to help your clients. And step 3, enjoy your free passive SEO services. With Click, you do not have to worry about paying for traffic. You do not be worried about getting banned from Facebook, and you do not have to worry about other things like losing money, and you do not have to worry about losing business because of insufficient keywords. You can also sell these services to sites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and many more. Click is fully loaded with 44 features that you can service and sell today. So now guys, just let's go into my bonus pages. Let's have a look at my bonus pages, and we'll talk more about Click, and then we'll conclude. So guys, here we are with the earnestly splendid bonuses that you'll be getting once you click the link below and buy Click from me. So what is Click all about? As I told you, Click is a new cloud technology that makes SEO and traffic deadly easy and guarantees results. Launch your very own SEO business today, and everything is a step-by-step, easy to follow. This is all in one traffic and SEO software. So you can uncover a hot profit keywords that get you number 1 ranking, one-click generator which generates thousands of high converting keywords, instantly SEO-optimize your pages for massive organic traffic, truly easy to use with built-in training, 24/7 assistance and support. So finally you can grab your share of the huge and growing SEO market and get the free traffic you always dreamed of, all without having to buy 10 different courses and tools, trying to get them together, work together, and to get only lousy results. You see, with the SEO, the huge amount of traffic you get is free, passive, and reliable. Bottom line is, no matter what you're doing, if you're not including SEO into marketing, you're missing out on huge paydays, and you're missing out on the easiest way to make money online. However good your content may be, however good your videos may be, unless you get people to visit your site, it is nothing but useless. So heck, I bet you know and would love to get started with SEO because you can see it works. Not only is Click the best SEO software available hands down, it's also the most affordable solution and a true all-in-one option, and does it all for you In fact, Click is so good, it's a league of its own. Forget about paying outrageous fees to get a lot of different tools and sacrifice a lot of quality, wasting your time and money in the process. Click provides the best of both worlds. Have the opportunity to take advantage of a zero hassles, zero restrictions cloud software that gets you the free traffic and massive sales. And prices and upsells, you will definitely love this because there are no too many upsells that you have to worry about. It's very simple. The front end is just 16.93 US dollars. You can start off with that. What will get you really going is Click Pro, again, which is very less, just $26.93. If you have these two, we are done. You need not have to worry about traffic, you need not have to worry about SEOs, you need not have to worry about people coming to your sites. You can try it out. There is a 30-day trial period. If you feel that yes, I'm not able to get it, I'm not able to get the traffic what I want to, you can always ask for a refund. So I think there's nothing here to lose. You have everything to gain. So you can go ahead with this because it is a good product. What is important? This is not a software which promises you to give you a lot of money or making you rich overnight. This all depends upon you. That you have to make your contents, you have to make your YouTube videos. Okay, you make that, and if you don't get visitors, then you do not get any benefit out of it. However good you are, if you do not know how to get the traffic to your, drive the traffic to your site, there's no use. And this is worth its money. Just $16.93, and with the Pro $26.93, I think this should really be good for you. And benefits that you may be interested in getting, we are giving you a way to create unlimited unique content. You will have your own awesome high converting software. Find the hottest keywords and generate the best SEO reports that will crush your competitors. We are doing it all for you by providing a software which will offer you successful business. That's right. Generate articles and SEO, optimize your site with just a few clicks. That means that your competition won't be able to keep up with you all the free traffic you're getting while having literally zero costs. You'll be a dominant force in the market. Okay, now who can benefit out of Click? Any marketer, regardless of the niche, who needs more content, more traffic, and wants to make more money. That means everybody who's in affiliate marketing, because everybody needs traffic. Without traffic, you have no business. Video marketers and SEO marketers looking for a way of getting profitable keywords that no one else is ranking for it. YouTube and Google. Traffic enthusiast who wants to enjoy higher ranking and free traffic. Affiliate marketers and website owners looking to increase sales. Anyone who wants to save money and get the best solution at the same time. Busy business people who want a true set and forget type of SEO tool that just needs them to get traffic without having to worry about it. As I told you, try Click for 30 days without any worries. If you feel it is not generating you enough traffic, you can always return it, forget it, take your money back. So just click this, start up now. And when you start, immediately you have a time bound frame, and the product's price is definitely going to go up. So go ahead, if you buy it immediately, you also get the bonuses from me. And what are the bonuses? You get nice bonuses, get Surefire Wealth silver level pass and hundreds of products to download and offer a bonus in your promotions. So this is about $147 worth bonus, and also you get the blogging advice for beginners. Learn the proven strategies to generate premium blog traffic for free. Bonus number 3, you get effective content marketing. Learn the same content marketing techniques the pros use to make more money easily. And the bonus number 4 is high profit blog secrets. You can learn the secrets the pros use to build high profit blogs every time and make real money. So these are the bonuses what you will be getting from me, my friends. So go ahead, click on this link here, which will take you to the sales page. I don't want to get into that because you can see the sales page yourself. Click over here, click on my link and benefit from all these bonuses from me, as also a very wonderful product in Click. I hope it will give you a lot of traffic to your site, and I hope you make a lot of money out of it. It's an indirect method. I'm not telling that you make a lot of money from Click, but you'll be making a lot of money from the traffic what Click drives you to. Right? All the best. Thanks a lot for being with me, listening to my review, and being with me till now without getting bored. I hope you really liked it and I was able to give you some good product. If you like my review, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you until the next review. Bye.